tug driver died when the towbar snapped, and the truck wedged into Nok Air Boeing 737-800 at Bangkok-Don Mueang International Airport, in Thailand on February 7, 2020. A Nok Air Boeing 737-800, on flight DD-6458 from Bangkok-Don Mueang to Nakhon Si Thammarat, Thailand, was being towed to the departure gate along taxiway K. When the aircraft was about to turn into taxiway, the tow bar snapped, and tug stopped. Aircraft continued to roll until colliding with the tug, that wedged underneath the fuselage and wings, injuring 2 ground workers. The tug driver succumbed to his injuries. At the time of the incident, no passengers were on board.
Like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notification.